Welcome to the Eyer2 experience. See how easy it is to perform eye exams with this powerful, versatile, and intelligent device from Phelcom. Let's begin by taking the first image, starting with the retina. Click on Capture. Select the appropriate eye for examination. To perform the exam, you can use the eye cap, an eye shield designed to help naturally dilate the eye with non-mydriatic exams. Its use is optional as long as the exam is performed in a darkroom. To hold the device, use your left hand to pinch with your pointer finger and thumb on the acrylic ring while using your remaining 3 fingers to stabilize the patient's forehead. Keep your right hand ready to take the image. Remember, the hand on the lens is the one that guides the camera's movement. Ask the patient to cover the eye that will not be examined. Start bringing the device closer to the patient's eye until the purple reflex completely fills the circular space. What you see is simply the patient's retina being illuminated by the device's infrared light. When the screen appears uniform and clear, it's time to take the picture. Once a capture is made, the Eyer automatically generates color, red-free, and infrared images. On the capture screen, this icon lets you select 9 fixation points to capture peripheral images. Anterior segment captures. Attach the anterior segment module to the Eyer2 and select the type of exam, white. Used for analyzing the ocular surface and periocular region. Position the patient's eye within the ellipse. Focusing on the area to be captured is optional. Proceed with taking the picture. Blue, used for corneal lesion analysis, and fluorescein. The positioning for both types of exams is the same. IR, used to analyze the meibomian glands. Gently pull down the lower eyelid, position the outer part of the eye within the ellipse, and capture. Captures using a table or base. Insert the support pin into the accessory base designed for exams. You can also attach it to where the tonometer pin goes on your slit lamp. Approach the patient's eye using the base or slit lamp control. Begin moving the device toward the eye until the purple reflex evenly lights the retina. Then capture. Now, with the anterior segment module in place, everything is ready to make your clinical practice more powerful, versatile, and intelligent with Eyer2. If you have any questions, visit phelcom.com/help. Phelcom, vision for the future.